Every child has a dream.
My name's Yaya. When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut.
My name is Marga and I dream of becoming a veterinarian. I love animals and I want to help them when they are sick.
I'm Hasha, and I aspire to become an environmental scientist. I want to make a positive impact on the world by protecting our planet.
My name is Amilka, and I'm passionate about human rights. I want to be a lawyer and fight for justice and human rights for all.
International School Brunei is more than just a school. It is a place where everyone excels.
I first came to the school when I was 5 years old. My parents wanted to give me the best education possible, and they found it here at International School Brunei.
ISB supports students to fulfill their true potential and helps shape them into global citizens. Students are excited to come to school. They discover their passions and become part of a truly inclusive community. Students learn in ISB's secured and purpose-built indoor and outdoor learning areas under the care of ISB's world-class teaching faculty. All students are given the opportunity to achieve their true potential. Our international curriculum is thoughtfully designed to foster holistic development from early years to pre-university. ISB is a truly international community. It is a home away from home for students from around the world. Since 1964, ISB has inspired minds, shaped values, and built futures. In 2024, International School Brunei celebrates 60 years of inclusive academic excellence. It has always been ISB, ISB always.